Hello, this video explains the season for Capsim 2018 practice with 4 rounds only, right? So this is round 4. Note that this strategy apply for practice game with 4 rounds only. Do not apply this strategy for 8 rounds competition game because 8 rounds is long-term strategy. You need to add new product. And this video illustrates how can we win on the 4 rounds in short-term strategy. So again, do not apply this strategy for 8 rounds game. This good for only 4 rounds practice. Okay, if you have 8 rounds game, use different strategy, right? So that is the difference between long-term and short-term strategy. Come back with our game. Some students have 4 round practice and we want to win on the 4 round with the required high strategy from professor. Sometimes professor give 4 round practice and require really high results, so we need to apply this new strategy, right? So we update the product, do not add new product, just update 5 products to the ID spot each round, and round 4 we will get very good result. This the screen of marketing. We see that we increase marketing to around 2000, and also for promotion and sales, and allocate equally for 5 products in 5 segments. Able agree item after I kept you see on the screen, they are all used close to 1900 for promotion and sales. That's good enough, and we see that they increase close to 100% of customer awareness and accessibility. For marketing sales focus, we reduce the price by 50 cents every round. This is round 4. We will get very good results for round 4, and also we can calculate the sales focus based on round 3 unit result, and also multiple by the segment growth. We see from the report, you see from video guides of round 1 and round 2. And sale units, right? That's good. Sale, and also we add about 10% for sale focus because we are selling very well. We update the product to the ideal slot on the routes, and yeah, check the sale focus carefully. And now for production, we have 4 rounds in practice. Again, this strategy for 4 rounds practice only, right? And we want to win on the 4 rounds, so we do not add new product. We just update 5 products. And that's for production. We input the production for 5 products, and with this strategy we can win on the 4 practice round with very high results, right? We also check the automation. We add automation to 8 and 10 for traditional and low end, and the other we also increase to 6 for high end and performance. For size, we set that at 5. This is important because do not update too fast, because update to higher automation need longer time for update R&D in later rounds. This is for TQM. We can apply 1,000 means a million for all the 10 initiative of total quality management. We can apply this for when it is available for TQM. And also for finance, we see that we get very good sales and high net profit, high sales. We do not have to apply any issuing the stock or long-term debt. Again, this strategy is very suitable for 4 rounds. We can sell nearly 2 million, and net profit is very high, much higher than professor requirement. So we review on the decision again. INT launching the product from June, July, or August if possible. And also we check the marketing details for the marketing, the pricing, and sale focused. Also we check the production in details to make sure we input the right production numbers for all the 5 products in 5 segments. Of course, in round 1 we sell some surplus capacity, and round 4 we add this needed capacity. And apply max for HR. Again, apply max for HR 5,080 hours of training. We do not need finance. This result of round 4, we sell very high, 200 million. Net profit of 21 and cumulative 41. Stock price 62. This is very high for 4 rounds game. The best game we can get, right? Thank you. Good luck and success.